Alright guys, it is time. The iPhone 16 just got announced, and now I want to show you guys how to get it on release date, because as you guys know, the pre-orders are this Friday on the what is the day? What is the day? I don't know. This is just alright, so it's the 13th. So pre-orders are this Friday on the Friday the 13th, and then the release date is of course the next week on the 20th. So I want to make sure you guys get these phones the earliest you possibly can, because if you're like me, when a new iPhone gets announced, you want to get it as soon as freaking possible. So as you guys can see right here, I'm on the Apple website, and there it is, the beautiful iPhone 16 Pro. And this is the new Desert Titanium color. Let me know what you guys think about this color right here. Honestly, when they first announced the Apple Watch being like a kind of polished titanium, I thought that's what they were going to do with this model right here. And honestly, I wouldn't be mad about that, because I kind of missed that polished kind of look. I know it wasn't as durable and it scratched a lot easier, but it just looked really premium in your hand. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this Desert Titanium color. We're going to click view pricing on the page. And here we are. So we can configure the iPhone 16 Pro. And I'm just going to say, because most likely the 16 Pro Max will probably go out of stock first. So if you're planning to get the iPhone 16 Pro Max, then you should probably do this method, because it's probably the first one that's going to go. And especially in the Desert Titanium colorway. So we're going to go with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We're going to go with the Desert Titanium. And let's just do 256. That's enough storage. Actually, let's do 1 terabyte, because that's usually the minimal amount of stock is the 1 terabyte. And then we're going to go to no trade-in. Well, you can do a trade-in if you want. This works for if you have a trade-in or if you don't. For me personally, I don't trade in my phones. I just sell them for cash anyways. We're going to go to buy. Again, you can do finance if you want, or the iPhone upgrade program. This works for anything. Also works for any carrier right here. I'm just going to connect to carrier later. And then for AppleCare, I usually do get the monthly program, but right now I'm just going to do no AppleCare Plus coverage. And then we're going to press this button right here, the get ready for pre-order. So this has pretty much saves your entire configuration, so you don't have to go on release day and fill out all this information when you're super nervous and it's super early in the morning. This is what helps, and this is how I actually got the iPhone on release day the previous year, and the year before that, and the year before that, and the year before that, and the year before that. So one thing I do want to say really quick, guys, is that if you're interested in a super slim and thin case, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It's buytac.com. The standard case 4.0 just came out, and honestly, it is the thinnest case I've ever used. It's super minimal. So if you don't like super bulky cases, this is the perfect case for you. You can also get 10% off your order by using code JR10 at checkout. And again, that'll give you 10% off your entire order. So yeah, if you guys are interested in a super thin case or some screen protectors or any kind of accessories, buytac.com. Again, use my code JR10 for 10% off your order. And then if we want to, get some accessories as well, we can do that. And for me personally, I'm just going to add this just to show you guys that you can add extra accessories as well. And as you guys know, they got rid of the fine and woven case. Not a surprise there, because that case did not really do that well. People did not like it, and I can kind of see why. We're going to press continue right here. And we're going to press continue again. And then for payment, you literally select everything on here. And then when it's time for pre-order, you just click it, and then you're good to go. So you're going to be the fastest one to check out while everyone's, getting all nervous and selecting whatever they want. You're going to be checked out in like literally as soon as it drops. That is what's so hype about this method right here. So, all right, so we're going to press save pre-order information, and right there, you're ready for pre-order. Come back on 9/13 to check out. Also, guys, you can do this with as many iPhones as you want. For me personally, I'm going to get every single color and review it for you guys to see what the colors are like, because this year the colors are kind of interesting and they're not that much different from each other. So I kind of want to get every single color and just show off every single color back to back and just compare it versus each individual color. So even though you have everything saved on here, still be there in the morning to check out, just in case they sell out early, which I don't really think they will. But if they do, it's going to be the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max and probably 1 terabyte. So if you're planning on getting that exact configuration, do this method, and I'm sure you guys are going to get it on release day. Also, let me know what kind of iPhone 16 Pro or regular iPhone 16 you guys are getting down in the comments below. For me personally, I think I'm going to go with the regular Pro with the Desert Titanium, just 128 gigabytes. I don't really need that much storage. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, dude.